Vantrue N5 Dash Cam. 4-channel 360-degree surveillance, Starvis night vision, voice control. All-seeing car companion. The Vantrue N5 is no ordinary dash cam. It's your 360-degree co-pilot with eyes on all sides. Boasting 4-channel recording, it captures front, rear, and inside views simultaneously, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. Equipped with a 2.7K HD front camera and three 1080p cameras, the N5 records in crystal clear detail, catching every license plate, surprise lane change, or nighttime mishap. No blind spots, no mysteries. Just complete coverage and peace of mind. Driving at night? The Vantrue N5's Starvis 2 infrared night vision has you covered. Its advanced IR sensors and noise reduction allow this dashcam to capture high-speed details, even in pitch darkness. With IR lights for both front and rear, night drives and parking are safer than ever. It's a must for rideshare drivers, night owls, and anyone who values impeccable footage regardless of lighting. Wi-Fi and GPS make the N5 an all-in-one digital navigator. 5G Wi-Fi allows ultra-fast file transfers and instant access to recordings on the Vantrue app. Dual GPS keeps tabs on your location, speed, and route, storing valuable data for insurance and legal purposes. With over-the-air updates, your dashcam gets even better over time. No extra gadgets, no extra fuss. The N5's 24/7 buffered parking mode means you'll never miss a moment while parked. With a hardwire kit, the dashcam automatically activates at the slightest movement, recording incidents before they even occur. Unlike traditional cams, this mode saves storage and ensures you capture the full story, not just the impact. It's a game changer for long-term parking or security in high-risk areas. Control the N5 with just your voice. With multilingual voice commands, you can save videos, adjust settings, or snap photos without taking your eyes off the road. Coupled with a magnetic mount for easy detachment, the Vantrue N5 is designed to streamline every part of your drive, delivering unmatched functionality, superior safety, and durable tech built for all climates.